Hey guys, in today's video we'll be rocking our Afro wig in 4 styles. Okay, I think one of them is something everyone knows, but the three of them I doubt like you've not seen it. I'm just kidding, but thank you guys for always tuning in to watch my videos. I really appreciate you. So I'm just going ahead to part my hair, and then I will use the hot comb. Okay, I have a hot comb. It's already plugged, so we're going to use it to brush the hair, at least to take off a little, so dry the hair a little bit. Do you understand? So I will just leave it to watch. I don't want to bore you with my voice. Okay, I will leave it to watch. I will add a good music for you, so just relax yourself. Hope you have your popcorn. Hope you have something to drink on. Please, while you're at it, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
It's on him best beauty when the building, the finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show. 100 blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game. She no get duplicates. On yeah. She the show working thousand. On yeah. The baddest of them all. I work the show, he the play. Oh, you film the baddest. Oh, you film her workings. Okay, now cut the camera. She the show workings. Okay, now cut the camera. She the show workings. Ooh. Okay, now cut the camera. She's the show workings.
So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be taking the hair part by part, and I'm going to be holding it down with an elastic band, okay, or a rubber band, whichever way you know it as. So I'm going to be using that to hold the hair down, okay, after I'm done parting them in equal parts. I don't know if it is going to be equal because I'm doing it myself, but if you can do it that way, whatever way, what our motive is just to take this hair all back, okay, without packing everything. I just want to make sure I leave something like, that will just give me this line effect. That's as if I made a weaving when I didn't do any weaving. Do you understand? I don't know if you're getting what I mean. All right, let me just leave it to watch so I don't bore you again with my talk. See you guys later if there's need for.
Okay, now cut the camera. She the show workings. Okay, now cut the camera. She the show working. Saw him best beauty when the building, the finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show 100 blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game. She no get duplicates. On she the show work.
So guys, let me just clarify something here. This is actually an Afro wig, okay? But the fact that I can actually wear it like a half wig is something I give this wig 10/10 for. You can rock it anyhow you want, any way you want. This is the first time I did, and I love this particular hair. And this hair is still in our collections. If you know you want this type of hair, all you need to do is go to the description and click the link below, and then you can get it directly from the website, okay? Thank you, and let us get to the second style. So guys, this is me trying to hide every part of this headband because all I want to show, all I want here is the bow to show. So every other part of this headband, I'm going to hide it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do, guys. And you can see what this hair is already giving. Like, this hair is top notch, guys. To think that I can actually style it the way I want is something I recommend this hair for. Now, yeah, this is the second part. I'm going to take you to the third part, okay? Be patient. But this time we're going to be using something different. We're going to be using wool, okay? We're going to braid this wool just like you're braiding a hair. So we're going to braid it and then we'll cut it out, okay? So we can attach it to this hair. So I'm going to do that off camera to save my time and your time, okay? If you don't know how to braid hair, that should be another video, but today we're just styling a wig, okay? So I'm going to go offline to braid and then I'll come back. So you guys, this is a bobby pin I'm trying to use to pin this braided hair down onto this wig, okay? This is a bobby pin and this is gold bobby pin. It means the gold color, not the black color. So I'm trying every means possible to hide it so not to show, okay? But if you're using a black bobby pin, lucky you. What I have at the point in time I was doing this video was a gold bobby pin. So I'm just trying to see how I can hold this braided hair down onto the wig, and I'm going to be using a bobby pin, okay? But what I have was, I think, a good bobby pin as at the time I was making this video. I didn't have the black, but if you have black, lucky you. So I'm going to try to hide the gold so it doesn't show. All right,
it's all in best beauty when the building, the finest of them all. She know the show, but now she get the show 100 blessed, but them know the less. This is the best in game. She no get duplicates. On she the show working 1,000. On the baddest of them all. I work the show, he the play. Oh, you film the baddest. Oh, you film her work, yes. Okay, now cut the camera. Show workings.
so another way you can actually style this wig lastly is the regular way we style our Afro wigs, okay? Just like this, you know. It's still fine, it's still okay, so it now depends on what you want. We have so many other ways that you can actually style your Afro wig, okay? This is just a few that I've given. Okay, if I have time I'll do that in another video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and